I'm not entirely sure if I'm gonna like this background. I'm trying to experiment, and since this is the room that we just painted, I am in love with this color, but I don't know how the light and the sound and all that good stuff is gonna be, so this might be the last video you see in this background. Anyway, hi, welcome to my channel and welcome to one of the very last Vlogmas videos. So today I wanted to do a quick unboxing really. I already opened it, of my new planner. This is from Erin Condren. If you buy these planners, you're probably very familiar with the boxes. So on to the unboxing. I picked up, of course, my new planner, and I believe this is the first time that I buy a planner with the gold ring. So for my past 2 years, I've purchased the rose gold. So you can see them both here. I thought, let's give it a try on the gold. So this is the one that I currently have, and it's a couple of things in there. I wanted to show you that I actually do love this planner. I bought the first one in 2020. Actually, my husband bought it for me. Michael was like, hey, why don't you pick this planner? And he gave me the link and purchased it for me, but I picked everything. The very first thing we have, it's of course my planner. I went for this, I think it's like a fall-ish, autumn flowers going on, and I have here my name and my handle. Most of my planners, because I do, well, all of my covers, because I only have 3 planners, but I have a ton of covers, I have them with my little handle. So you have my name, my last name, and then I like to have my handle in there. And this is a very pretty one. I was missing an actual like fall cover. I have at this point like for the entire year, one for each month, and I love them, so it's okay with me. But I was missing one for autumn, fall. So anyway, I got the version that I always get is a life planner. They do have, I believe, like 2 or 3 different versions, like a daily duo, which you get 2 planners per year, and it's like 1 page per day. And then you have like an hourly one, you have a vertical, and you have a horizontal. The very first planner that I got was a horizontal. So last year, I'm sorry, I decided to go for vertical, and this year I decided that I prefer vertical planner. So I'll go ahead and use the 3 little squares as like work. Usually these 2 are gonna be my work things, and then the last one I either use for YouTube scheduling or for things around the house. So like, let's say I have to do laundry, I have to vacuum, I have to do whatnot, I put it in there. So that's kind of like what I like to do. Before I had it in a horizontal way, and it was a good one, but last year I decided to go for the vertical, and I just fell in love. I really like that way of planning, because I cut my day in like the 3 portions of what I do. So my work, my YouTube, and cleaning or stuff from the house. So it's a way of, it helps me keep myself organized in a better way. So I really love it. But let's go back to the actual planner. I got like extremely ahead of myself. I just wanted to show you what I had gotten. So whenever you open your planner, you have always an insert of the little ruler that comes in every single time that you buy a planner. And then you have like a protective plastified page with some floral design. That was the design that I picked. I don't remember the name, but it was a floral one. And then you get your life planner, and then here to put your name. Always, or usually my mom will put the name on my planner. Something fell on my phone because my handwriting is horrible. And then you have here, the next page is going to be just some floral design, and then that's when you get your full-on yearly calendar. So starting from January, of course, all the way to December, and you move along. I'm kind of like trying to do this with one hand, and it's kind of hard. And then this is one that I actually never use. So I used to buy stickers just to decorate these 2 pages, but I found that I really never put anything. I wanted to do it kind of like as recording important things, but I ended up always leaving it empty. So this year I didn't buy the stickers for that, which I might regret it, but honestly, here it is from last year's. Decorated with, you know, because it's like 1 box per month. You can use it like that, it's 12 boxes. And last year's, or this year's, which is still currently 2022, it's completely empty. And then after those monthly pages, you get like a blank space, and then you get your actually first month. This is January. I love the colors of this planner. It's like very subtle, very soft shades, which I love. And then you turn around and you have a full kind of like bird's view of the month. So this in case is gonna be January, of course. And then you have a section right here for the notes on the second page. So you will see it right here. And the calendar or the month is gonna be noted with the important dates. So we've got Martin Luther King, New Year's, and whatnot. And then you turn that page, and then you have an empty notes page, or you know, usually this is what I use for my YouTube calendar. So I will literally draw here. Let me show you from last year's. I'll draw here what I'm gonna be doing, and then that's how I use my monthly note page. So I do like a film, edit and upload, and the name of the video, and then I put dates, and this helps me keep myself on schedule. So I'll do when I want to film it, like when I filmed it, when I need to edit, and when it needs to go out, and the name of the video. So that's how I use that page. So then after that page, this is where that would be, right? Right after the bird's view of the monthly calendar. So there's the bird's view of the entire month, and then you turn it and you have that blank page, which for me, it'll be my YouTube calendar. And then you have an overview of what you can, I usually used to do here like important dates, and then I set 4 goals for the month. Then whatever extra, I don't remember what I used in here. And then here I like to put a habit tracker to try to keep track of those goals that I want to achieve. And I put like a little, I want to change whatever, like wake up at 5 a.m. Of course, that's never going to happen. At 7 a.m. or whatever could be. And then here, I don't remember what I usually use this for. This sometimes it's just like a miscellaneous kind of box. And then once you turn that page, then you start with the actual month, which of course this is January, so it starts with the last week of December, which is the 26th of December, and you end with Sunday, the 1st of January. And then you do have a bit of like an empty space here with some lined space. Sometimes I put this here, ideas that I get for like YouTube videos, maybe some food that I want to cook during the week, whatever it could be. And then on the very bottom, you get a monthly calendar. So every month you have this on a page of course, the month you're currently in. And that's how you go through the entire month. And then to end the month, let's say this is January, right? So it ends on the 29th in this time around, in this specific week. And then you turn it back and you have another empty page. So that's kind of like how the entire month goes, you know, of course, month to month. And then at the very end of the planner, whenever you're done with January to December, you get the notes section. But yeah, anyway, and then you have a contacts section. So to put all your contacts, I do use this one. I'm not gonna show you obviously the one that I have, but I have all our family members, my closest friends with their addresses, because I do send Easter, Christmas, sometimes Valentine's cards to those people. And then at the very back, you have a calendar for 2024. So, and then a little bit of like a note keeping on the bottom, probably for like special dates or important dates for that year that are gonna come up. And then you get a bit of a section of stickers. I almost never use these stickers. I don't know why, but I almost never use them. And on the very end, you get a little, I don't know, like a little folder thing where you can like keep some documents. I do use this one a lot. I put stickers that I buy for my planner. My apartment was very small, so it was very easy to keep track. But with this huge house, that was a main reason that I got one of the things that I'm gonna show you. Cleaning is definitely in a different level. So I purchased this cleaning checklist dashboard. So this is going to go on my planner. I am very excited to start using this. It looks great. It is separated by rooms. It's like a kitchen, bedroom, bathrooms, living room, dining room. And then in the back it says daily cleaning, monthly, seasonally, and then cleaning supplies. Which that's gonna be an easy thing because I buy everything from Blue Land, which is a refillable, cruelty-free company. So that's not a concern of mine, and nothing that I forget, but definitely monthly, seasonally, and daily cleaning. I need to keep track of those. And going back to the whole, I want to keep my money on track, my finances very on track, know where I'm spending, what I'm using my money in. I bought this budget sticker book. So I don't know if it's gonna work or not, if it's gonna like help me, but I thought, you know, instead of buying those monthly stickers that I never use to put at the beginning of my planner, let's get a budget one. So I don't really know how I'm gonna utilize it, but that's kind of like some of the stickers that come in there. Just, I don't know, I'm hoping this is gonna help me keep on track. And then lastly, the last thing I bought was a planny pack. I know, that sounds so ridiculous, that name, but at the same time, kind of cute. And I love the colors, it's so adorable. It's colorful, like a rainbow, but like a very subtle, subdued, neutral colors. If you haven't realized that I love light colors, although I'm wearing like a black beige sweater, subtle colors are my favorite. Anything light and pastel, I absolutely love. I've been wanting one of these planny packs for a while because I go to Mexico a lot. So I always like to keep, I have like a little pen case on top of my desk. Not a case, but like a little thing. Let me show you. What am I doing? I do keep this little thing on my desk. So whenever I do go to Mexico, I always like to carry my favorite pens with me. So I used to have like a little Lisa Eldridge makeup bag and take it with me in my computer bag. But this is so much better because it goes directly attached to my planner. It's gonna be everything I purchased from the Erin Condren website. I did pick up all of this during the Black Friday sale. That's usually when I like to buy my planner because it is of course when you can get the cheapest, and the accessories also were on sale, so I am very happy with everything that I got. But anyway, you guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know in the comments below if you are also an Erin Condren kind of planner or if you prefer any other. I know that I'm sold with this brand, but I wouldn't be opposed to looking into other planners. Anyway, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!